Goal management versus task management. How your company can benefit from both. If you want your business to grow, you need to have a reliable system that can help you set and keep track of your goals. Defining goals for the entire company as well as for each individual employee can set up your business for success. However, achieving business goal is not that easy. Many companies struggle to define, manage, and reach their goals. 67% of senior managers cannot name their company's top 3 goals, and 80% of small business owners do not monitor their business goal, and 9 out of 10 senior executives admit that they fail to reach their strategic goals. Hi, I'm Sean Fon from DoerHRM. I help businesses to create teamwork that deliver results and grow. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because I drop videos like this every week. And for member of DoerPreneur Circle, welcome back. Well, to ensure that they achieve their business goal, companies employ goal management processes to help them manage their objective. However, only 20% of managers believe that the goal management system that they have is effective. To address this issue, some companies also have task management system in place to not only keep track of their goal but also their tasks. But what is the difference between goal management and task management? And why is it important for companies to have systems for both? This question will be answered in this video. What is goal management? Goal management is the process of defining and keeping track of short-term and long-term goals so employees can better understand how they can help the company's grow. Goals describe where a company wants to go and how it wants to grow in the future. And this goal usually starts at the top of the company. It is important that senior management first clearly define the priority of the companies so they can then clearly communicate this goal to all their employees. According to Barney Griffin, communicating company goals to employees have 4 major benefits. Number 1, they provide guidance and directions. Number 2, they facilitate planning. And number 3, they motivate and inspire employees. And number 4, they help organizations evaluate and control performance. Now, most business experts recommend setting SMART goals, the SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Google, however, is famous for encouraging both its management and employees to set ambitious rather than attainable goals. Their philosophy is rooted in the belief that when employees are faced with an ambitious goal, they are motivated to work harder than if faced with an easily attainable goal. What is task management? Well, task management is a process that allows businesses to conceptualize, align, and keep track of tasks, both at the individual and departmental level. Tasks are different but are essential to goals. Tasks are the action you need to take in order to achieve your objective. Well, to illustrate this further, imagine task management and goal management as one long road trip. Your goal is your destination, where you want to be. Tasks are the turns you have to make and the exit you have to take in order to get to your destination. And task management and goal management system are the roads and highways that set up your business path to success. Well, goal versus task. As mentioned, goal describe where you want to be, while tasks are the things you have to do to get there. For example, if one of your company's objective is to be among the top 3 companies in the industry, a goal for the marketing team could be to increase the number of new customers by 30% by end of the year. A task for an employee in the marketing team could then be a book product demonstration for 500 potential customers by November 30. While your company needs both goal management, ensure that a company's objectives are defined and that every team and employee's goal is ambitious, specific, and relevant to the company's overall goals. Studies show that employees who are committed to a goal are more engaged and perform better in their work. When goals are clearly articulated, employees can better express their accomplishment to their managers. The managers, in turn, can have a better baseline to measure the progress of their employees. However, despite having clearly defined goals, sometimes employees fail to achieve their goals because they don't have the right tools to plan the steps needed to achieve those goals. This is why having a task management system on top of a goal management system can be beneficial. Individuals that have an action plan written down to achieve goals are 76% more likely to achieve them. Creating goal-oriented action plan or tasks can give employees a clear sense of directions towards their goals. Use OKR to manage both goals and tasks. Google famously used this system to manage their employees back when they were only a team of 40 people. Now, with over 100,000 employees, Google still heavily use OKR. With OKR, teams and employees will need to come up with two things: objective and key result. Objective should answer the question, where do I want to go? While key results should answer, how do I know that I will get there? It is recommended that for every objective, there should be 3 to 5 measurable key results connected to it. In this sense, goals are in the form of objective, while tasks come in the form of key result. We can translate our example of a marketing goal and task that we saw earlier into an objective and key result. Using a goal and a task team, the marketing team at a business-to-business company goal increase the number of new customers by 30% by end of the year. Whereas for the task, book product demonstration for 500 potential customers by November 30. And using OKR at a team level, the marketing team at a business-to-business company objective increase the number of new customers by 30% by end of the year. And the key result 1, book product demonstrations for 500 potential customers by November 3rd. And key result 2, set up a booth at 10 industry conference by October 15. Whereas key result number 3, create a newsletter campaign and distribute it to 5,000 new leads by July 31st. Every business can benefit from both goal management and task management system. The beauty of OKR is that it combines goal management and task management into one unified system. Unlike other systems, OKR is unique in that it challenges organization and employee to be more ambitious while providing a robust way to keep track of a company's progress in achieving its goals. That's what I have for you today. Book for a free consultation call or sign up for our course in the link below. We do accept new members, but there is something more essential. If you are not ready to go that deep yet, get a free full features trial of DoerHRM OKR and KPI software for 30 days, or free ebook, or join our monthly 2-hour workshop to learn more. If you got value from this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. I will share more best practices with you every week, and kindly leave a comment below if you need clarification or want to request for a specific topic. I'm Sean Fon, and I will see you in the next video.